In this video, I'll show you how to pair your AirPods 4 with your Android smartphone or Android tablet. So let's get started. So to put your AirPods 4 in pairing mode, if they're not already, first make sure they are inside of the case and then double tap right on the top, right on the front, of the case here. So when you double tap, the light should blink like this. Then go on your Android device and go into the Bluetooth settings. Now, depending which model you have, you need to go into the settings app, then in connections. And finally, over here, you should find Bluetooth. Press on it. Make sure Bluetooth is actually turned on. And right over here where it says available devices, you should see AirPods appearing in the list. Once you see AirPods, go ahead and tap on it. The pairing process will start and you'll get a pair button that you need to press. And after 3 seconds, you should get connected for calls and audio. This is great. You can start using them. If you go over here and press the cogwheels on the right side of the AirPods, you can select in case you simply want to use them for audio only, so music and videos, or calls. So you can choose to be more specific. If you don't want to use them, let's say for calls, you can disable this, same thing for audio. If you want to completely delete them from your Android phone, because maybe you want to resell them, maybe you want to give them away, you need to go over here and select unpair. Once you select unpair, they will be gone forever and you need to pair them together again the same way I showed you if you want to use them in the future. If you simply want to disconnect them because you want to use them later and you want to use the speaker of your Android phone, you need to select disconnect instead. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.